With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's understand about this question here, and the question says select the correct statements here. So we have 4 statements and we have to find the correct statement. Okay, so first statement we have the algae cell wall is made up of cellulose, algin, pectin and polysulfate ester. Okay, if we talk about the algae, we know that algae is different types of algae are there, the red algae, blue green algae, brown algae. Okay, so if we talk about the common algae, so the algae has the cell wall of algae, the cellulose is present in the cell wall of algae, which is made up of algin, right? And next, if we talk about the brown algae, specifically the brown algae, so the cell wall of brown algae, in the cell wall of brown algae, there are 3 components are present, that are fucinic acid. Secondly, they have alginic acid, and also the fucoidin are also present in the cell wall of brown algae, and collectively they are termed as hydrocolloids. Okay, so this is about the brown algae. If we talk about the red algae, the cell wall of red algae is little bit complex according to the brown algae, and in the red algae, the cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. Also, in the cell wall of red algae, the different substances also present. Different substances are also present. Those substances are the xylene, galactose and polyuronic acid. And apart from that, polysulfate ester are also present here. Polysulfate ester are also present in the cell wall of red algae. So if we see the option first, so the algae cell wall is made up of cellulose, algin, pectin, polysulfate ester. So these all components are involved in the algae cell wall. Okay, so the correct answer will be option first. Next option says most of the gymnosperms are homosporous. Gymnosperm, we know that the gymnosperm are, the second statement is, this is the first statement, the gymnosperms are the seed bearing plants. These are the seed bearing plants, and the gymnosperm bears 2 types of spores. Then we call it as the heterosporous. Okay, heterosporous, and the 2 type of spores are present here. The one is the microspores and the second one is the megaspores. So the option says most of the gymnosperms are homosporous. So this will be the incorrect statement because the gymnosperm are heterosporous. Okay. Next is most of the pteridophytes are heterosporous and some are homosporous. This is given oppositely. This is the incorrect one because the pteridophytes are homosporous. Okay, these are the homosporous. That means they produce the single spore. Mostly they produce single spores, and some are the heterosporous. Some pteridophytes are heterosporous. That means some pteridophytes are produced two types of spores, the microspores and megaspores. This is the incorrect one. The next statement says water is not required for fertilization in seed plant like Selaginella and Salvinia. So Selaginella and Salvinia, these are the option 4th. The Selaginella and Salvinia are come under the bryophytes, and we know that the bryophytes are also called the amphibia of plant kingdom, because they are depend on water for sexual fertilization. So we can say that the plant like Selaginella and Salvinia, they are required for the fertilization. What they are required? Water for their fertilization. So here is this is again the incorrect statement. So the correct answer will be here is option first, that is algae cell wall is made up of cellulose, algin, pectin and polysulfate ester. This will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.